All right, so very nice move right there. Price came right down into our level of structure. Conditions are pretty bullish. We've wiped out the candle in front of it. So I'm going to take the market long, and let's see what we get. SPX, very beautiful cloud retest. This is our third long this morning. Very nice push on SPX. Let's see. Keep that 2 minute up. Entered right here around 5,615. I'm gonna keep my stop at 5,610 on SPY. It's 559.30, give or take. I'm just gonna use the 2 minute cloud. Honestly, I mean, like theoretically, you probably could keep it right below this candle, the one that you got in on. Todd on the Discord, our future trader guru, who's a fucking savage trader. That's all he'll do, right? He'll risk one candle, which does make a lot. It makes a lot of sense. If we make a higher high here, she's gonna rip. And this is once again the power of SPX. I'm up already 16%, almost 18% on this trade. So like literally 20-cent move, and I'm already up next to my take profit, right? And in like and from a profitability standpoint, right? Like to make money, that's why I love trading SPX, right? But it's not for everybody, and SPY is still really good. It's just I don't need the $1 moves every single trade, and that could be pretty good. That was our first. I mean, the only thing is that was our first like red candle like in a while. But I've already made my decision, so now it's up to the market to play out, right? I mean, a pullback to 56.10 does make some sense, but we'll see here. We'll see if buyers can push this up to next level of structure. Get it, Eric. It's a clean move right there off the cloud. Let me pull up Q's. It's a very clean move. It's a nice push right there. So yeah, Q's, my stop, honestly, I mean, it would probably be like, I mean, yeah, you could do the whole cloud, but that's like wow, Q's. That's way too large, right? But you don't need to do the whole cloud, right? You could, the way I would target that one is be like, okay, if we fall below 49476, I might want to get out and reevaluate. That's how I would approach that one. Oh, that looks good on Q's right there. If those buyers can knock out the top of this candle, that would look good. 15 minute looks hella bullish. Oh, there it goes. Get it. Get it, E-Rock. If we push, I am adding. I love it. I love it. Like, I was talking to a trader yesterday, or no, it wasn't yesterday, it was the other day, but like, the whole concept behind consistency, right? Like, think about it. If you're playing blackjack and you're dealt two aces, right? You don't bet big on that hand. You split the hand, Why do you split the hand? You split the hand because your probability of winning that hand is very high, right? So what you do is you split the hand, and now you have two hands. You're increasing your probability of profitability, right? So it's the same with trading. If I'm in a trade, so if I'm in a trade that's going my way, I want to add to the position, right? Because I'm now increasing the amount of money I'll make. But if you're in a good trending position, chances are it's going to keep going. So that's where the adding concept comes in. It's the same thing with blackjack, right? It's like, you're going to you're gonna increase your probability of making money, right? And then it's the same concept but flipped for if you're in a losing position. If you're in a losing position, you want to cut it quick, right? That's your strength. That's your superpower. Let's see what's happening here. Oh, come on, Q's. Break the high. Q's breaks 49529. It's very highly. Oh, there it goes. Bam. See the push? See the push? See what just happened there, guys? See that? Bam. Bam. Damn. I'm getting paid today. Damn. Let's get it. All right, so my bad. I'm passionate. Added. What a stud. What a stud. Increasing the probability. That's my boy right there. Add in. Always. Look at that. You have to add in at that point. You have to. Listen. This is what we do, guys. This is what we do, man. That's it. It's literally 3 moves off this morning move. Look at that on Q's, man. Oh, come on. Let's go. Look at that. Unbelievable. SPX, we're still in this. We are still in this on SPX right here. Of course we are. I'm taking profits in like $1. Oh, yo, look at this. Oh, yo, listen. That is some shit. And TP. All right. So now SPX. I can't take profit. Yeah, it's still green. It's still green. Oh, man, we're going to push through it? I'm going to use... Let's see here. Oh, boys, we're pushing through that. We're pushing through this shit. We are pushing through it. Look at that on SPY, or SPX. I can't get out. I literally can't get out of this yet. I can't. It's not allowed. I'm just going to put my stop SPX right here at 5560. What a good trade. What a good trade. That was beautiful. All right, I'm going to take it, guys. All right, I'm out of that trade. Beautiful morning, guys. I hope all of you were able to take a lot from this and benefit from this. I think it was a great live focusing on like adding in and entries. That was a really good move. It's most likely going to keep ripping. And the main reason why is buyers are just destroying the market structure right now. They're just eating it alive. I gotta go. I gotta get my daughter ready for the day. I hope everybody has a phenomenal day. I'll be back on the Discord later, and I'll see you all at the webinar tomorrow.